See, that's where I need a magnet.
On your foot?
I always bring it with me.
Where is it?
Yeah, but you won't find it there in a toolbox.
How many toolboxes do you have?
I don't know.
Too many?
Yeah. It's a 16-inch.
The blade?
Electric chainsaw. You didn't know it was electric, did you?
Yeah, it's right here.
2 egg is cleaning a chainsaw.
To imagine cleaning all these by hand. Say you worked at like a landscaping company, and your job was to clean all these. Let's say they had 100.
The Esplendor, you know Esplendor, the one that company that cuts those trees.
Yeah.
One of the guys was the one that came over and cut this that big limb on this side.
Yeah.
You can see that it's cut. It's about that big. He came over. They were cutting trees over there. They go on the line.
Yeah.
See, they work for they're subcontractor for the electric company. And any line, any wire that's that line is hitting the electric line.
Yeah.
They cut them, and then they got a shredder. They have a truck and a shredder, and they go, and they put that thing in there.
The big, the wood chipper.
Wood chipper, yeah. I think it's about as clean as we're going to be able to get it.
Probably gonna get dirty anyways, isn't it?
Huh?
It's probably gonna get dirty again.
After 30 or 40 years.
How about this part, like right here? Let me see the screwdriver, just so I can get some of the dirt out. Or mud, as he said.
Get that screwdriver from there. You know where they are. See if you can find them.
This one?
Whatever one that's a standard screwdriver.
Get the flathead.
Huh?
Let me get this one.
Oh, it's too small.
No, just right here.
No.
Right here, look. Oh, I thought it was like a vent. Is it a vent?
No, that's what cools the engine down.
Isn't this the important part?
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah, that's oil from where it hits. Hey, let me see there.
That part doesn't matter. It's just plastic.
Huh?
This part right here is just plastic. I was getting the vents.
Yeah, but it's dirt is what I'm trying to get.
Let's see the other side.
Huh?
I'm gonna look at the other side.